Reddy, and my team members are Sai, Aravind, and Avinash. Today we are going to discuss about the startups. One is successful and one is failure. The first one, Skyroot Aerospace, which is successful start. Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited is an Indian private aerospace manufacturer and commercial launch service provider headquartered in Hyderabad. It aims to develop and launch its own series of small lift launch vehicles especially crafted for a small satellite market. General information about it is the founders of Skyroot Aerospace is Pawan Kumar Chandana, Nagabharat Dhaka. The number of funding rounds are 5 and the total amount is $68 million.
The main mode of Skyroot Aerospace is opening space for all. Some of the milestones of Skyroot Aerospace was the Skyroot Aerospace was first private company which printed the cryogenic engine in 2 days, and first company to successfully test the 3D printed cryogenic engine, and the first company to have a physical liquid propelled engine, and first company to test fire a solid rocket engine. And it is the first company to raise $51 million in one single round. And it is the first company to testing its own rocket, Vikram 1. Some of the major awards and recognitions of Skyroot Aerospace on year 2020, Skyroot Aerospace got Best Innovation Category Award, and on May 2022, it got National Award for its startup, and Technology Startup Award was given to the Skyroot Aerospace for its cryogenic and liquid solid propulsion technology, and which was given by Jitendra Singh, who is the Union Minister of State Science and Technology Minister.
Until now, Skyroot developed some engines and launching vehicles. They are Raman 1, which is a storable rocket engine, Kalam 5, that is solid rocket motor, Kalam 100, that is solid rocket motor, Dhawan 1, that is cryogenic rocket engine, and the Vikram 1, 2, 3. These are all launch vehicles. Why Skyroot Aerospace succeeded? It can launch satellites with a cost of 90% less than that of any other competitors in the world. This is because of the availability of the materials and lot of efficiency in the sector and mainly the government support for the startups, especially in the space sector. All the companies who are operating broadband, communications and image processing with the help of satellites in the lower orbits will become their customers. These are the statistics of their funding in the table.
This is the deep analysis about the Skyroot Aerospace. Now we are going to discuss about the failure startup, which is Hotels Around You. Hotels Around You was an Indian focused service centered on last minute and short stay hotels. It offered users the option to book hotels for two types of stays: day transit option, night use hotel. The app featured hotels with unsold rooms and got commission when users booked a hotel.
The general information of this company is it was in travel category and it was originated in 2013 in India, and it was one of the failure startup, and it was closely shut down in 2017. It was very due to the competition. The founders, there are three founders for this. They are Avinash Chaudhary, Harsha Nallur, and Monshin Ringankar. The number of employees are between 1 to 10, and total funding rounds was held in the startup was 1, and total funding amount was 125.4 million dollars, and number of investors are 2.
Why did hotels around you fail and shut down? The main reason is the app was offering a service that had already many competitors that had a decades of experience and users' trust. Hotels Around You was unable to elicit an additional round of funding from the investors, and it went on quietly shut down while its founders had already relocated to other companies.
This is about the hotels around you. Here the company is Skyroot Aerospace has used its own, which is unique solution for the problem, which the another startup has not yet done it in India. But Skyroot Aerospace come first and done it in India. But here hotels around you has more competitors, and the Google Maps can also show us the what are the hotels around you. But so there is no use of this hotels around you app. So the hotels around you was failed and Skyroot Aerospace was split up. Okay. Thank you. This is Group Team Immortals.